Good day, adventurers, and welcome back to another video for Fable Beard Company. I'm the apprentice, and today we're going to be asking the question, are beards dirty?
May your beards be forever blessed, and treasure forever upon your door.
Hello, everybody, and welcome back. We are asking a really important question. Are beards dirty? Are they gross? Are they gnarly? Are they unhealthy? Well, if we're getting down to it, there is bacteria in your beard hair, absolutely. Is it as dirty as a toilet? No, probably not. I certainly hope not. But that's the thing. There are some studies, not anything too definite to say that beards are unhealthy and bad for you, but there are some studies that show that beard hair has certain bacteria in it. Now, all that being said, there may be dirty beards out there, but it is your job, the adventurer, the beardsman, to take care of your facial hair. Please. In order to enjoy it, it's got to be clean. You got to keep it hydrated. You got to keep the skin clean, all of that. There may be bacteria that starts to form, so you got to wash it. You have to have a weekly, daily routine. Every week, you have to have a different rotation. Are you using beard wash? Are you using co-wash? Are you properly conditioning it at night? There's a lot of things that you need to take into consideration when keeping your beard clean overall. So, beard, is it dirty? Might be. As long as you are keeping it clean, then no, it will not be. So I'm curious about all of your thoughts, adventurers. Tell us in the comments down below, do you feel like a lot of the time you might have kind of a gross, dirty beard? Do you work with a lot of dirt? And do you get a lot very sweaty with your work? What's your routine in keeping a clean beard? Because we're not just trying to focus on the fact that, yes, beards can be dirty. This video is also supposed to help us figure out and understand how we can have a healthy and clean bearded lifestyle. This is a great community that we can talk about beards and work on our own beards and show them off and everything. But who wants to have that lifestyle if it's going to be dirty and unhealthy? So what do you do to keep it clean? What do you do to have that proper routine every day, every week? Let us know in the comments. I'm curious. What I typically do throughout my washing rotation is twice a week I use co-wash and beard wash. There's maybe once or twice a week where I just rinse, but for the most part, almost every day I use co-wash. That is what I do. Of course, going to use oil every day, morning and night, also using balm in the morning and butter at night. That's what I do. Let us know what you do. But how do you keep your beard from being dirty? So, all of this to say, thank you very much for your comments. Please like the video if you find the topic to be interesting, or if you're just trying to support our channel. We really appreciate that. Consider subscribing if you haven't, and also toll the bell. That way, anytime we do post, you will be getting notifications. Remember, next time you go to make a purchase at Fable Beard Company, to put in the discount code The Apprentice and get 25% off your next purchase. And as always, adventurers, may your beards be forever blessed, and treasure always upon your door. Have a good day.